Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something that might seem tricky at first glance: how to deposit checks for minors in 2025. If you're a parent, guardian, or just someone handling finances for a young one, this guide is for you. Let's break it down step by step so you can handle this with confidence. First off, what's a minor? Simply put, it's anyone under 18 years old. In 2025, banking rules have gotten a bit more streamlined, thanks to new regulations aimed at protecting young savers. But remember, laws can vary by state, so always check with your local bank. Step 1. Ensure the check is properly endorsed. For a minor, the check needs to be signed by both the minor and their parent or legal guardian. Have the minor write, "For deposit only," followed by their name, and then add your signature as the guardian. Next, you'll need to decide where to deposit it. In 2025, many banks offer digital options through apps like those from major institutions, which allow you to snap a photo of the check and deposit it directly into a custodial account. These accounts are specifically designed for minors and are managed by an adult until the child turns 18. If you're going the traditional route, head to your bank branch. Bring along valid ID for both you and the minor, plus the check. The teller will verify everything and help with the deposit. Pro tip: if this is the minor's first deposit, consider opening a custodial account right then. It's a great way to teach kids about saving. One common mistake to avoid? Forgetting to endorse the check correctly, which could lead to delays or rejections. Also, with 2025's emphasis on security, make sure any digital deposits use two-factor authentication. Wrapping this up, depositing checks for minors doesn't have to be complicated. By following these steps, you're not just handling money, you're setting up good financial habits. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.